Hey dolls, it's Lee. I'm so excited because the time is finally here that we get to tell you about our much anticipated Doll Skin Anti-Stress Skin Perfector and this amazing brush. We developed this as an antidote to skin stress, which as we know is aging us the fastest of anything right now. Stress takes this awful toll on our skin and causes all these signs of premature aging that we don't want. So what we did is we put together 10 incredible active ingredients that are going to get you dolled up in 10 minutes or less while fighting those premature signs of aging. A few of my favorite ingredients include aloe vera extract to soothe, green tea extract to energize your skin, and our BioSkin Dermal Defense, which is an ingredient blend that we developed. And what that's going to do is it's actually going to work to give you clearer, healthier, brighter, more vibrant skin. So let me show you the shades and then I'm going to show you how to use this. So these are actually developed with Skin Smart pigments, which means each of these shades is going to find your skin tone and then instantly work to adapt to it. The thing is, we are working on additional shades, so don't you worry, but let me show you the 6 that we have now. Fair is going to be the fairest shade. Then we have light, light medium, medium, that's my shade, tan, and deep. Okay, so let me show you how you're going to use this. And I honestly cannot wait for you to get this at home and try it, because when you put this on and you feel what this can do for your skin, you're never going to look back. Remember, in this tube, you're getting your primer, your coverage, and your treatment. So every morning when you put this on, you're doing your skin a huge favor, and I promise your skin will thank you for it. We created this for all skin types, from the driest of the dry to the oiliest of the oily. This is going to go on and this is going to look and feel like skin. That's why it's a full coverage skin treatment, not makeup. Okay, so we recommend that you start with a pump, and this is going to work for your whole skin, or your whole face, I should say. You can definitely go ahead and build more if you want, but you want to start with a little and then add more as you need it. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to buff this right into the skin. This is going to give you a real skin finish, and it's not even going to feel like you're wearing makeup, I promise. I cannot wait to hear how you like this and how it's improving your skin. Please keep in touch with us on our social channels. Let us know what you think. Let us know how you're liking it. We can't wait to chat with you soon, dolls. Bye!